Hey there, learner. Welcome back for another deep dive. Today we're going to tackle something really practical.
Mm,
Ordering food in English at a restaurant. We use a quick little story scenario to pick up some keywords.
exactly. It's a great way to learn vocabulary you'll actually use. We'll break down the words, practice saying them.
And maybe a little quiz at the end.
Sounds good. Just to help things stick. It's really about making you feel, more comfortable ordering next time.
All right, let's jump in. So imagine Emma. She's at a restaurant, menu in hand, ready to order.
Mm.
Ready to order.
Okay.
Before we get to order, maybe let's quickly define restaurant. Seems obvious, but
Sure. A restaurant is simply a place you go to buy and eat a meal. Pretty straightforward. Like, we're going to that new restaurant tonight.
got it. Okay, so Emma's at the restaurant. She looks at the menu and decides what she wants. Now that action, order. What does that mean here?
Right. So to order in this context means to officially ask the waiter or waitress for the food or drink you want.
Like, I'd like to order the pasta, for example.
Exactly. Or Emma wants to order grilled chicken.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
And that's what she orders. Grilled chicken with mashed potatoes. Sounds pretty good. Maybe even delicious.
Ah, delicious. Yeah, that's a great word. It just means very tasty, tastes really good.
So if something is delicious, you really enjoy the flavor. That pizza was delicious.
Yep, that's it.
Now, her order was specific. Grilled chicken. What does grilled tell us?
Grilled refers to how it's cooked on a grill, usually over fire or heat. Gives it those char marks sometimes.
Okay, so not fried, not baked, but grilled.
Right. Like, grilled chicken is often seen as a healthier option.
And it comes with mashed potatoes? What exactly are those?
Mashed potatoes are, well, potatoes that have been boiled till they're soft and then crushed up, usually with some milk, butter, maybe salt.
The classic comfort food side dish.
Definitely. Very common. Steak with mashed potatoes is a popular one.
Okay, main course covered. She probably wants something to drink too.
Yes, a drink is just any liquid you consume. Water, juice, soda, like you said, lemonade in Emma's case.
Simple enough. Now, after the food arrives, Emma tastes it. Her feedback is, the chicken was a bit salty, but the potatoes were perfect. Let's start with salty.
Salty means it tastes of salt. Sometimes, like here, a bit salty suggests maybe a little too much salt for her liking.
So it can be a bit negative if there's too much, like, this soup is too salty.
Exactly. But then she says the potatoes were perfect.
Perfect.
Meaning? Perfect means, exactly right. No problems, no flaws, just the way you want it to be.
Like the timing was perfect, or these potatoes are perfect.
Precisely. No complaints there.
Then, maybe because the chicken was salty, the waiter offers her a dessert. What's a dessert?
Dessert. That's the sweet dish you usually have at the end of a meal.
Like cake, ice cream.
Yeah, stuff like that. Fruits sometimes, too. It's the final sweet course. Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Okay, great. We've picked up quite a few useful words there.
We have.
So now, maybe we should quickly recap and practice saying them. I'll say the word and a short definition. Just repeat it in your head or out loud. Ready?
Let's do it.
Restaurant. A place where you eat meals.
Order to ask for food or drinks?
Delicious.
Very tasty.
Grilled chicken. Chicken cooked on a grill.
Mashed potatoes. Crushed boiled potatoes.
Drink. A liquid you consume.
Salty tasting of salt.
Perfect. Exactly right.
Dessert. A sweet dish after a meal.
Nice. Just hearing them again helps lock them in.
Absolutely. Okay, feeling ready for that quick quiz we mentioned, just to see how those words settled in?
Yeah, let's test it out. Fire away. First one. Where did Emma go?
To a restaurant.
Correct. What did Emma order for her main course?
She ordered grilled chicken with mashed potatoes.
Spot on. And what's a word that means something tastes really good?
Delicious.
Yep. What did Emma think about the chicken specifically? How it tasted?
She thought it was a bit salty.
Right. And what did she have to drink?
Lemonade.
Good memory. What sweet course is usually offered at the end of a meal? That would be dessert.
Correct. And finally, how did you describe the potatoes?
She said they were perfect.
Excellent. You nailed that.
Fantastic work, everyone listening. You've just added some really useful restaurant vocabulary to your English toolkit.
Absolutely. It's all about practice now. So maybe a little thought to take away.
Go on.
Next time you're thinking about eating out or even just planning a meal, try to think about it using these words. What delicious dish might you order? Would you want something grilled? Maybe something sweet for dessert?
That's a great idea. Actively using the words helps so much. Keep practicing, and we'll catch you in the next deep dive.